everybody, welcome to another video. We are at the trails again. I'm gonna go ahead, park the truck here, get the bikes unloaded. Got my brother with me here today and a couple of friends, so let's go ahead and get on the bikes. All right, got all the KLXs here. 2020, 2019, 18? Of course, mine right here, and the 140. Things that are different, 50 tooth right here. We'll see how that thing does. Nothing, just some good old dirt, same over here, and well, first time exploring a little bit more out on this one, so let's go ahead and get on the bikes. All right guys, here we are, ready to go. Pack of 4 rolling out today. All right guys, let's get going. First trail today, gonna try and push our limits a little bit. Already catching some air. Working on keeping the eyes up, leaning the bike over, trying to pick the best line. Looks like this is a 4x4 trail. 4x4s, huh? Alright guys, I'm on my brother's little 140L here. We got to go back to camp real quick because clutch started slipping, and it's because the clutch is too tight, and when you turn it slips, and then of course when you go straight it re-engages. Alright everybody, got that all squared away. The clutch cable was just routed weirdly. So now we're going to go head to the jumps. Alright, so we're heading on this green trail here.
The same exact thing.
Yeah, I hit front brake. It was too much effort to put my foot down and try and catch it.
You were too lazy is what you mean.
Exactly. Oh yeah, I love this trail. So many jumps. Alright, real quick, pulled off here. Here comes my brother there in the distance. I can't see him. I can hear him. And there he is. One more trail before the jumps. squeeze that 50 tooth. So on camera, it doesn't look like much, but I can assure you that definitely feels like you're getting up there. All right, it's my turn, guys. I overthought that one. Got off the gas before the jump. Nosedive a little bit. But we're going for it again.
Go full throttle up that hill. That would sound really cool.
All right, hill climb. Let's go. Oh yeah, that's what I'm talking about. There you go. Whoa! He actually got it up a little bit. He said he wasn't going to.
It happens on accident.
Yeah. Well, now he knows.
You caught air.
Yeah, you caught some air. Now you know. Now you know what it feels like. So you can start sending it a little bit. That's awesome. Were you recording? Yes, you were. All right.
This goes really far. Oh yeah. Ooh, there's two stroke down it. Let's go down it.
All right.
Ready? Down that road?
All right, new trail. It's Rogers Camp Road here. And we got some traffic. Alright guys, now we're getting into some open trails, or at least open scenery, not in the woods. Clearing that jump real nice. Oh, jeez.
Had a heart attack.
That pulled my arms out of my socket. All right, know your trails, guys. Yes, we are shredding the trails now. Sliding into the corners. Only time I could see where this might be an issue, since there isn't a rut to catch me. Major foot down action right there. Oh, I know this trail. This is one of the very first trails I took in my off-road impressions video on the KLX. I'd say I'm moving at a lot better pace than in that video, that's for sure. Oh man, I watched that video recently and I was laughing. Jeez, that thing's loud. So we're switching bikes here. I am on the KLX here with the FMF Q4 and Mega Bomb. And recently he did a 52 sprocket. So he's 1350 gearing, so that's down 1 in the front, up 8 in the rear. And it does accelerate way better. Like I said, only performance mod thing here is the FMF exhaust. He also has some Tusk D-Sport tires, which I'm thinking about getting because they seem to do really well on the loose stuff. So this locks up really well and the loose stuff. On the road though, I don't really want the front to lock up, but I guess I'd have to test it out. Alright, so second gear. Alright, so I did get the front wheel to the down whoop, which is what we are going for. Yeah, there we go. A lot better than the first time. And that's what matters. Okay everybody, this is probably going to be the last trail of the day. We call this one the Trials Trail. because at the beginning of it there's all the logs and stuff. So we're gonna go up it and have some fun. Hopefully push it a little bit. I know there's some jumps too on this trail. Here we go. Also one of the first trails I went on in my first off-road video. Yep. All right, it is pushing limits day, so let's try this. Whoa. Big rock garden. Whoops. I should probably leave myself some room at the end so I can actually get the front wheel up. Wasn't the most ideal way to go through there. Well, you can buy it, but you won't be able to take it back.
You're forcing me to buy it.
Nope.
Well, yeah, that's why I gotta buy it.
This will all be muted in the video. No one will know what we're talking about.
That's fine. I'll send you.
Wait. I'm gonna crop out your helmet and I'm gonna just put that over what you're doing.
So it's.
Nope.
Ah, come on.
Nope. Ah, gotcha. That was the last trail of the day. I'd say I was able to push my limits today. Everyone was. Got my brother out here on his 140. He had a blast. I pushed it through the trails faster, slid in the corners, leaned the bike over, came out sideways, hit some bigger jumps, different jumps. Alright guys, made it back to the truck and the van here. Had a super fun time out on the trails today with all the KLXs back there. But that is going to do it for today's video. If you enjoyed, be sure to give it a big thumbs up. Also share it to your friends and those who may enjoy it. And of course, if you're not subscribed, go down there, hit that subscribe button, get the bell on to keep up with all the action here. Comment your favorite part of today's video. But with all that being said, join the club, and I'll see you in the next one. There goes my clutch lever.
I'm the motherfucking greatest. Yeah, I'm the greatest. Bitch, my competition, they don't fit that niche.